Oh, we may fit, or will it make it up the hill?
See that the switchbacks?
Put an exit on for it. Oh yeah, put it by the exit.
Loose items, loose items.
I ain't gonna go around.
All right.
Are you getting on, John?
Yeah, I guess I'll take this one over here. Yeah.
Suck. Suck.
I hope my knees fit.
Oh God. There you go, go for real. There you go.
Surprisingly more leg room than I guess.
I'm trying to take my shoe off.
Okay, good. We fit. Ah.
Terrifying. What is that little ride over there though? Look at that one.
Oh, I don't know.
Look at the little mini pirate shit. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
I don't think my knee goes this way, but. All right, 1-to-1 and done.
So like the round trip, please?
Ah! Oh my gosh!
Oh, look, a double down.
Oh, it's a double down.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
Oh, God.
I'm holding on for dear life, dog!
3 times.
Oh my God, the bar in the middle. Oh my God. This is gonna be open, bro. Oh God.
Oh,
I gotta squeeze it.
oh no.
Oh my God. It's got a little jerkiness right there, bro.
It's actually a little bit more forceful than the wacky worm, I think.
Hey!
Backwards.
It doesn't go over 10 minutes like the one that Kalahari does? Oh man.
Oh, the one that goes on forever.
I wouldn't like. What? The one at Kalahari? Oh yeah.
Oh, you get 12 cycles on that.
Thank you. That was funny.
Oh, wow. No problem, no problem. Take your time.
Amy, be careful. It's really scary.
All right.
Hey, thanks for the ride.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Well, you should have said it then. I would have given you the back if you said I wanted it.
Yeah, you get that. It's it.
We're riding together, dog.
Well, you know what they say. Sucks to suck.